everyone, it's Kathy Champion, and you're back here with me on my YouTube channel, Kathy's Random Acts of Stamping. As many of you know, I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator located here in the beautiful state of North Carolina. I announced yesterday during my live that I would do the premiere video today on this recipe album that we're going to be making. It is probably going to be at least a three-part series, but everybody voted that they wanted it to be a premiere video. That's where I pre-record it, then I can come in and chat with y'all as you watch the video. So what I have to do is I have to record the video, I have to edit it, I have to upload it, set it as a premiere with a date for it to premiere. So I need time to do all this, and I wasn't even thinking when I said I would start it today that all takes a lot of time, and my husband and I had to run some errands yesterday afternoon, so I did not get a chance to work on it. And I got up this morning and I said, there's no way that I can get this done, and I need a day to do this and then a day to get it set up. So it will actually premiere on Friday. The reason that it will work for Friday is I want to get it done today, get it set. I want to have another video that will go up tomorrow, and then the premiere will be Friday. That way it doesn't interfere with anyone else's lives, and I know that we have people that a lot of my followers watch, and I do not want to interfere with their live tomorrow, which is Thursday. So I'm not mentioning names, but I know you know who I'm talking about, someone that helped me when I was getting my channel started, and I never ever want to interfere or set my times over top of theirs and make people have to make that choice, especially when it's a live or a premiere. If it's just a recorded video, you can go and watch that anytime. So, and the premieres and the lives you can watch anytime too, but if you want to participate, you have to be there during that set time. So Friday we will do this. I will post a time when once I get this done, I will post a time that it's going to premiere over on my YouTube channel. So if you have not subscribed to Kathy's Random Acts of Stampin' on the YouTube, if you haven't joined that group, please take the time to go over and join there, because that's where you're going to see all of my information. I'm kind of using my platform there as my web page. It allows me to post all my projects. It lets me interact with all of you on a one-to-one basis. So it's really important. If you watch my videos here, please go over and join my Facebook group. I would so love to have you there. Plus you can keep up with everything that's going on here at Kathy's Random Acts of Stampin'. So thank you so much for understanding the path of what I need to go through in order to get this going. So I'm going to hop on really quick and start recording this morning and see if I can get it edited, and that way I can upload it by tomorrow. It will be up and I can let y'all know exactly what time we're going to premiere. It's probably going to be Friday, maybe around 12 noon we'll try to premiere, and that way I'll be in to help y'all. And I figure 12 noon makes it like 9 on the West Coast. It makes it 12 noon for us here on the East Coast, and of course 1-2 hours in between. So wherever you're at, I'm hoping that will be a good time. So let's just go ahead and plan for Friday at 12 o'clock noon Eastern Daylight Time, and we will and I'll make sure that I put the reminder up for everybody on Facebook. So again, like I said, that Facebook page link will be in the video description below this video. So just go there and click. It will take you directly over to that page. All you have to do is click the join button, and it will ask you a couple of questions. Just answer the questions. I will get the notification that you want to join. I'll approve it, and you'll be on your way to being a part of our crafty family. It's just another way to interact with you, for me to interact with you and you to interact with me. Thanks so much. God bless and keep you. And as I always say in every video, let everything that you do and say bring glory to our Father in heaven. He is worthy. So until I see you again on our live or our premiere, it won't be live, I'll be live there with y'all. Happy crafting. God bless and keep you. Mwah.